With the ClipsShop die adapter for the Stimpson 405, you can expand its capability to include the less expensive premium quality ClipsShop dies and grommets. The die is easy to install and can be removed just as easily. Here's how to add the adapter to your 405 grommet press. Put the press into the down position and use an Allen wrench to remove the Stimpson die set and spring. Now install the bottom portion of the adapter into the base with the slit facing the back of the machine. Slide in your ClipsShop bottom die in the size of your choice and tighten it into place. Then insert the top side of the adapter, tightening it with your Allen wrench, and screw in the top side of the ClipsShop die. The adapter does not require the spring, so store that with your Stimpson dies. Now your Stimpson 405 grommet press machine is ready to handle the affordable, high-quality ClipsShop self-piercing grommets. They are made of solid brass and come in several different colors and finishes, as well as a huge variety of sizes. For more information, visit us online at spiralbinding.com or call the number on your screen.